Today, I embrace my confidence. I am capable of achieving my dreams. Every challenge is an opportunity to grow. My strength is greater than any struggle. I possess the qualities needed to be extremely successful. Creative energy surges through me, leading to new and brilliant ideas. I am courageous and stand up for myself. My thoughts are filled with positivity and my life is plentiful with prosperity. Today, I abandon my old habits and take up new, more positive ones. Every cell in my body vibrates with energy and health. I am surrounded by love and everything is fine. My fears of tomorrow are simply melting away. I am at peace with all that has happened, is happening, and will happen. My nature is divine. I am a spiritual being. My life is just beginning. Confidence is my second nature. I wake up today with strength in my heart and clarity in my mind. My abilities to conquer my challenges are limitless. Today, I am brimming with energy and overflowing with joy. My body is healthy, my mind is brilliant, my soul is tranquil. I have been given endless talents which I begin to utilize today. I forgive those who have harmed me in my past and peacefully detach from them. A river of compassion washes away my anger and replaces it with love. I am guided in my every step by Spirit. Who leads me towards what I must know and do. I possess the qualities needed to be extremely successful. Being happy comes easy to me. Happiness is my second nature. Good things are happening. I am made with the purpose of doing great things. I am a powerhouse. I am indestructible. Through my challenges, I find my strength. I radiate beauty, charm, and grace. I wake up today feeling strong and confident. My fears of making mistakes are dissolving. I trust myself to make the best decisions for me. I am full of positive, loving energy. I am overflowing with joy, vitality, and energy. I'm unstoppable. My life is full of happiness and love. I am a strong individual who attracts success and happiness. My life is a blast of growing opportunity because I never stop creating. I am a magnet for miracles. Being confident and brave is a choice that I choose today. I am the architect of my life. I build its foundation and choose its contents. Today, I am filled with energy and overflowing with joy. My body is healthy, my mind is brilliant, my soul is at peace. I am superior to negative thoughts and low actions. I have been given endless talents which I begin to utilize today. I forgive myself and set myself free. I believe I can be all that I want to be. I am unstoppable, courageous, and invincible. Every day, I discover interesting and exciting new paths to pursue. I trust my intuition and I always make wise decisions. I am focused on my goals and feel passionate about my work. I work well under pressure and always feel motivated. I am living to my full potential. I have everything I need to face any obstacles that come. I have the power to create all the success and prosperity I desire. I can let go of old, negative beliefs that have stood in the way of my success. The universe is filled with endless opportunities for my career. I am surrounded by supportive, positive people who believe in me. I will be open-minded and always eager to explore new avenues to success. As I take on new challenges, I feel calm, confident, and powerful. I will celebrate each goal I accomplish with gratitude and joy. I am grateful for my journey and its lessons. Today, I will be brave enough to dream big and act on it. I am determined to be cheerful and happy in whatever situation. I have the courage to create positive change in my life. I acknowledge my own self-worth. My confidence is soaring. Everything that is happening now is happening for my ultimate good. I am a powerhouse of confidence. I am deserving of my dreams and open to receiving them. I let go of any doubts and fears, and live life to the fullest. I am in charge of my life. My ability to conquer challenges is limitless. I am optimistic. I believe in my abilities and express my true self with ease. Every day, I am getting stronger and more confident. I choose to be proud of myself and the things I choose to do. I will keep moving forward with confidence and grace. I improve with each passing day. I am worthy of all the good life has to offer, and I deserve to be happy. I am motivated, persistent, and successful. I am calm, patient, and in control of my emotions. I am thankful for today, knowing that it will bring me new opportunities. I am loved, I am at peace, and I am confident. I believe in myself, and trust my own wisdom. I am a unique, special, and valuable person. I am confident in my ability to solve problems and take on new challenges. I let go of any negative feelings about myself.